Hi, today I will show you how to fix dropped stitches or tucked stitches if you have problems with your yarn. So this is how your yarn should look. You should have yarn on each space. So let's see. So if this yarn doesn't come down all the way down here like it's now, and I'm knitting and it's working properly, if this one stays up, then these two will be knitted together. And usually when you knit really fast, you don't see it, so it will be like this. And then you see that it's missing, the yarn is missing here. Sometimes if you catch it, you can fix it right here or on the next round. But if you are keep working, so this was number 14. When I'm coming around, so here is number 14. I don't have the yarn, so this, if I don't fix it now when I'm working, you see I will have two yarns and this will be tucked stitch. So if I don't catch it and I'm still working, I don't have drop stitches, but we will see later. So number 14, these two will be two here, but in the next rounds it's more obvious. Okay, let's see. Sometimes when you check your work, you're gonna see that something is wrong. You see, I have two here. That's why when I'm making a hat or an infinity scarf, I like to check my work like this. And then I catch if I have something wrong, like this one. You see, I can see that something is wrong here. So, how can I fix this one? So I'm coming, it's number 14. I can fix it here or on this one when before I working. I find it more easy here. So it's number 14 and here I have to fix this stitch or this loop. So now I'm gonna take the working yarn. Make sure I don't lose this one, so just pay attention how this one is. This will be like this. And then just a little back, not further, not too much, so the needle is down, so I can take my loop like this. So I had problem with the 14, okay? So then unravel the stitches. You see, here is the problem. I had two. So from here, this everything is good. For me, the easiest way, so it's like this. I put the loop over, go under, and bringing like this. You can do with a crochet hook, but I found it that's harder because I have to go under. So this is the good one. So with the crochet hook I have to go under like this, put it over, and then work this one here. So I found it harder like this way. So that's why I'm doing just with the needle. So this is the last one, is good. I force it just a little, I put over, come under, I hold with my nail here. Okay, so this is the loop. just like this, and then this is the good one. I can check my work. I take the next one, put over, and then I put it over. Watch for this one so you don't lose it, you see. So this one I have to press it all the way down, if not I'm gonna lose it again. So this one was worked. Just I go back just a little. I'm not making any mess in the other side, and I have to work. So the 14 was the problem one. It looks like it's not okay, but after a couple of rounds will be even. So now when I'm working, everything should be fine. So I have to watch for this one, and when you work slowly, it's okay. You see it and then you catch it, like this one, let's say. You'll be up. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. So this one comes all the way up, doesn't want to go down. Let's see. When you want to show it, it doesn't happen, but when you work, it's gonna happen. So if it's like this and you catch it and you work slow, you catch it. But sometimes I'm using my adapter, and then when I work really fast, I don't see it. So that's why sometimes we have this problem. Okay, but when you work slowly, if you see it right here, okay, and it's working and it's cut inside, and then you catch it here, you can fix it even here. You don't have to work around, just you have to pay attention for all the stitches. So you come back just a little, pay attention, this one here comes down, you look, press it down, put the working yarn, and now you have to come back here because this stitch was released, and you have just to pay attention that it's over there. Okay, so you can fix it like that if you catch it right away. If not, you can catch it like I said. Let's say it's happening again. I cannot make it happen. So if your yarn is up, it's knitted with the working yarn, you can see it here. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, just work slowly the round so it doesn't happen again. I don't know what number was it. So it's number 8. Okay, so I know that I made a mistake because I don't have any yarn over there. So I'm trying to find that one. So last time we fixed it after. Now we're gonna fix it here before. So it's the same thing. You just have to release, make sure that the yarn is released. And when it's here, we have 2 yarns. This one that should have been worked and is not. And the tight one is the correct one. So this one I have to work this one. Okay, just difficulty. So this one is the one, the loose one. I have to knit this one. So I can do it right here, but I have to pay attention for this one that is worked already. So go just a little bit backwards. Oh, the other way. Okay, you see, it catches the yarn over there. But now pay attention this one, number 5, okay, because this one wants to release it, and just press down the yarn because you don't have to let it go. So this one is the one with the problem, number 8. So I said we're gonna go backwards just a bit. That's it. And now come on back, and the 5 one I press it down so it's still over there, you see, and then I have just one yarn over here. So number 8, it's fixed. If I'm not fixing it, I'm working, then you'll be 2 yards together here down, and I have to unravel and then fix the problem. So this is with drop stitches. Drop stitches can happen when you see here a problem, and then you go back, and when you go back, right now I'm going back, I release the yarn, and then I'm trying to come back. That didn't happen. This one, you'll press down and I have no stitch, and if I don't pay attention and I think, oh, it's like the other situation, where can I fix it down, I'm coming and working and the stitch is dropped. This is the drop stitch. Okay, so this one you'll see it different than the tucked one because you have no stitch all the time, but this one can be fixed again. You see, now I start to have, but I can see that something is wrong. Okay, I cannot fix it here because the yarn it's cut inside, so I'm gonna fix it here or before. So again, I see it's number 11. Okay, so number 11 is with the problem now. So I need until the needle releases all the yarn, like in this situation, you see, so I'm taking the yarn, and all the time when the needle is too high, just go back a little. Pay attention all the time, like this one, when I said it's worked, pay attention so it doesn't release it. Okay, I'm taking my yarn, and then again, the easiest way for me, this is the easy. So unravel until you see that everything is good. So this one has to go inside, so I'm doing like this way. This is the next one. Don't worry if you stretch too much the yarn, because it will be alright. Just pay attention that you take them in order. Okay, and this is the last one. And then just put it over. See? Pay attention that this is everything alright, otherwise your work is for nothing. Okay, and this has to be down. So I fixed the drop stitch. I have here another one. I don't know how it happened, but let's fix this one. I'm gonna fix it here. I like it this side, not this one. It's harder for me, this one. So I'm coming here. So before I work the stitch, I see that I have a problem. I take my yarn. Pay attention, this one is worked already, okay? So I cannot take, don't force it, just go a little bit further. Your needle comes down just a bit, and then again press it back so you don't, it's okay. So my problem is here. Again, fix it with this one or with this one. You go under, take the first one, go over, so the next one. Oops, this one has to be over. I'm going to do the other way, the way that I like it, because this way I can see everything that I'm doing. So like this, down, up, again I put over, I go under, all the time. The last one is the hardest one. Okay, just put over. Pay attention to this one because it tends to come out. Okay, so it has to be over these two. Make sure that all the yarn is over, not like this one. Okay, so now I have to put the working yarn under. Okay, just a bit go back and manually put your yarn over there. Okay, so you check your work. You're gonna say that, oh, something is wrong because this is so tight and loose, but you will fix itself. So, and often check your work, and if you see that it's a tucked or a loose one, stop here, fix your stitch. Just pay attention to everything, okay? So this is the way that I fix them. Okay, thank you for watching.